What if I told you solving this problem can be easier than you think? Let me prove it. Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting problem in this series. Today we are going to find the value of y to the power of 6 plus 1 over y to the power of 6 when the value of y plus 1 over y equals 4. And there's a neat trick coming up. So first pause the video and give it a try yourself. If you get stuck, no worries. Stay with me till the end because I'll show you a smart shortcut to avoid long and difficult calculations. Let's get started. To calculate y to the power of 6 plus 1 over y to the power 6, let's start with a plus 1 over a the whole square and a plus 1 over a the whole cube. It can be written or simplified in this form. Having said that, we know that y plus 1 over y is nothing but 4. Now, we'll apply the same calculations what we have done for a plus 1 over a to this one, and we find that y square plus 1 over y square is nothing but 16 minus 2, which is 14. So, we'll apply the function that we have calculated for cube for this term that we have got for y square plus 1 over y square equals to 14. And what we find is we'll have 14 cube plus y to the power of 6 plus y 3 into y square plus 1 over y square plus 1 over y to the power of 6. Now, we'll have to calculate the value of 14 cube, and we know that this 14 cube is nothing but 196 into 14, which is nothing but 2744 minus 42, which is nothing but 2702, and that's the answer. So now, what if I change the sequence of my steps? Previously I took the square first and then cube. But what if I just do the cube first and do the square afterward? Here you see that it makes a lot of difference in the calculation, and it makes the calculation much more easier than what you think. Instead of struggling with the cube of 2-digit number, you simply take the cube of 4 and square 52. Way faster and far fewer chances of making mistakes in exams. And hey, if you learn even one new trick today, imagine how smarter you'll be tomorrow. So go ahead and hit that like button and keep leveling up your math skills with me.